Hey there, online shoppers. If you've been eyeing deals on Regulant.com, you'll want to hear this before you even think about pulling out your card. As of January 2026, Regulant.com is officially classified as a scam by both security analysts and consumer protection groups. Let's break down exactly why this site isn't just shady, it's downright dangerous. First up, let's talk about pricing. Regulant.com lists luxury fragrances and electronics at prices that are honestly too good to be true. And you know the old saying, if it looks too good to be true, it probably is. But that's not all. Tons of customers report that after paying, they never receive confirmation emails, tracking info, or any meaningful response. In fact, most people get ignored completely or end up blocked if they try to reach out on social media. Next, the site is missing some basic trust features. There's no valid SSL certificate, no legit physical address, and forget about a working customer service phone number. Red flags everywhere. When I dug deeper, I found that a lot of their product descriptions and images are straight up copied from reputable sites like AutoTrader and Takealot. That's textbook scam behavior. And don't just take my word for it. Independent review platforms like Hello Peter and Trustpilot are filled with complaints. People are saying things like no refund, no product, and calling the site scammers and thieves. So what do you do if you've already made a purchase? First, contact your bank right away to report the fraud and request a chargeback. Second, cancel your card if you entered payment info, just to be safe. And finally, help others by reporting Regulant.com to local authorities or through Google's transparency report. Bottom line, Regulant.com isn't just a risk, it's a full-on scam. Save your money, protect your data, and always double-check before shopping somewhere new.